the razor blade challenge, which is really box cutter blade welding. Anyways, here's one with MIG 030 wire, front side and back side. And then, just for the fun of it, I welded some actual razor blades with 030 wire. And here, some box cutter blades, razor blade challenge with stick. So, unfortunately, I lost the arc about like 25% through it, like right about there. But then the rest went really nice.
That's it.
So the slack comes right off, and actually looks like $1,000,000 right there. I mean, the front does, the back looks good.
Dude, this looks so clean.
What I did on this machine is, I did polarity DC minus, put the electrode holder on negative, 1/16 electrode, 6013, and then I put the pulse on, 4 pulses per second. I had a peak high amperage of 20 amps and a background of 10, and it just worked really beautiful. It was just clamped to that 1/4-inch table, which was warm, by the way. No special backing, no special shielding, just clamp down and run it. Works really good.